This is Premier Water and Sewer Services. We're doing a post-liner, post-repair lateral inspection at 2463 Blue Herron. Looking up the vent riser there, pulling back through 3-inch cast iron. Here's our combo there. Underneath the floor, continuing back. The Y on the right hand side there. And on the left, continuing back. Pulling through a 45 here. And the Y on the right hand side there, our kitchen line. There into our liner. We had to skip over a liner for a Y there on the left. Back into our PVC repair. Back 3-inch PVC to 4-inch PVC there. There's the bottom of our clean out. Going downstream and go through a drop. And we hooked on outside. Here's where we hooked on. Bottom of our clean out, and that'll conclude the video.